Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Encountering error code 4 in Marvel Rivals on your PS5 can definitely put a damper on your gaming plans. This specific code typically signals a problem with your network connection, stopping the game from linking up with the servers. But don't fret, we'll walk through some simple yet effective troubleshooting steps. You'll be back to battling in the Marvel universe in no time at all. The first and easiest step is often the most effective. Try restarting your PlayStation 5 entirely, then make sure your internet connection is stable. Also, remember to power cycle your router and modem. Just unplug them for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This simple reset can clear up many temporary network glitches and often resolves error code 4 right away, getting you back online. If basic steps haven't worked, check your network settings. If on Wi-Fi, try connecting your PS5 directly to your router with an Ethernet cable. A wired connection is often more stable. You can also try changing your PS5 DNS settings. Using public DNS servers, like Google's 8.8.8.8, can sometimes provide a more reliable connection to the game servers. This often helps with persistent connection issues. Beyond network adjustments, the issue might lie with the game itself. Always check for any pending updates for Marvel Rivals. Running an outdated version can definitely lead to connection errors. If all else fails, consider deleting and reinstalling the game entirely. While it takes time, corrupted game files are sometimes the root cause of these issues, and a fresh installation often clears them right up, getting you back into the fight. If you've tried all these steps and error code 4 still persists, don't worry. The problem might be with the game server or a unique issue with your setup. At this point, it's best to reach out to Marvel Rivals' official support team or PlayStation support directly. Be sure to provide them with the error code and all the steps you've already attempted. This helps them diagnose and resolve your specific issue faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.